Here's an update on the Malaysian missing flight. This has been going on for over 2 weeks, so I've been following this but haven't been saying anything because, like I said in my original video, it looks like a wild goose chase and somebody knows something but they're not saying it, and obviously there is some sort of a cover-up going on. But basically what came out recently in the last 12 hours, Malaysia's right now in the middle of its day, or actually its day is ending. The government over there did a press conference and made the statement that their conclusive analysis of all the information and data is saying the last verifiable location of the plane was over the Indian Ocean. And after all of the radar couldn't see it, transponders failed to work, everything discontinued after that point. That is the final verifiable location over the Indian Ocean. And their conclusion based on that is the plane went down in a remote location of the deep ocean and disappeared at that point. It crashed, and there was no possibility to land. There are no nearby airports, there are no islands, and basically giving their sympathy and condolences finally for everyone on the flight and family and relatives who were still holding out some hope. So there is the unfortunate update on the disaster, but it's not over. There have to be a lot of explanations, and still there's going to be more and more theories come out about this, and I know people who have the mindset that I do. We know that this is part of some kind of a plot. There is a conspiracy that this was done. This is not a simple crash. Why is Michelle Obama and family in Beijing right now? Why? Is that a coincidence? I don't think so.